Whoever has a piece of rope, bring it on down. We're going to stand on that star, please. This young man on that star. Our teacher friend here on that star. Right there. Let's see who it is. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Suzanne Keenan.
Keenan? Hi, Miss Keenan. I'm Al Respect. Hi, nice to meet you. Are you a teacher?
I'm a sub.
You're a sub. What grade are you subbing for?
Third, my favorite.
Third graders. Let's hear it for Miss Keenan. Thank you for helping us out. Then we come all the way over here. Hi, what's your name?
McKenna.
Hi, McKenna. My name's Al. They call me the Respect Guy. What grade do you teach? Don't? Then what are you doing here? Oh, you're one of those student type people. I get it. Okay. Thanks for helping us out again. All right. We have 3 pieces of rope. And with these 3 pieces of rope, I'm going to give you an example of how. What? I would do what? So what? Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I just heard that. She said that's not me. Or it is me. The gentleman back there said that wasn't very respectful. You know, you're both right. As a matter of fact, what I just did there was rude. You see, it is rude to exclude. Excluding means not bringing people in, keeping them out. What I just did there is no different than what some of you do on the playground when you don't ask somebody to join your group. It's rude to exclude. The person who's excluded has no idea why they feel sad. Go ahead, show me you feel sad. But the person who excludes them looks even worse. You're going to be classmates for a long time. You're not going to be best friends with everyone. Not everyone is going to be your best friend, but that doesn't mean we can't be friendly with each other. It's rude to exclude. I did not mean to exclude you. I just wanted to make a point. Thanks for helping me out with that. What's your name?
Spencer.
Hello, Spencer. My name's Al. They call me the Respect Guy. Thanks for helping us out. All right, so we have 3 volunteers. Each person has a piece of rope. I'm going to ask you to pull on that rope. Make sure it's not made out of rubber. It's not made out of plastic. They're just solid pieces of rope. Let me come over to you. Is that solid? Just a piece of rope? What was your name? Oh, McKenna. Good memory. All right, thanks, McKenna. Oh, McKenna, look at this. That rope is longer than you are tall. No. Wow. That's a long rope. Spencer, let me have your rope, please. Solid piece of rope, not rubber or elastic. Oh, look at it. Spencer's rope is kind of like a medium size, maybe. Mrs. Gay, what piece of rope do you have? She's got the teeny weeny insy pinsy tiny rope. So we have 3 pieces of rope. Now, if you look at these 3 pieces of rope, they look different. We have a short one, a medium one, a long one, and because of that, they look different. If you think about it, there's really nothing different about them. They're pieces of rope. Hey, wait a minute. I have 3 volunteers up here. They're different sizes, too. They look a little different. But guess what? There's really nothing different about them. And the reason there's nothing different about them is because they're people. That means if we said something nice about one of them, it would make them feel really good. Sure, we're all different. We have different eyes, different noses, different smiles, different body shapes. Yeah, we're all different. She's got a ponytail with blonde hair. He's got kind of darkish brown hair. She's got really dark hair. I don't even have any hair. See, we're all a little bit different. And there's really nothing wrong with being different. Let's try something. Again, we hand over the ropes. Real loud, say roar. That was a pretty loud roar. We hand over the ropes, say roar. Meow. them said roar in their own special way. Look what they did. Now, we no longer have a short piece, a medium piece, or a long piece. Now we have 3 pieces of rope that are exactly the same length. And now that they're the same length, that's kind of boring. If we all walk alike, talk alike, look alike, how could we learn anything new? Now, if you remember, I had 3 pieces of rope. I had a short one, a long one, a medium one, and 3 friends who helped show us that being different doesn't bad.